Hi YouTube, welcome to Wes and Stock Lock Sunday. And we got this beautiful Evva A, which I believe has a sidebar in it, because when I picked it earlier I rotated it and it locked out onto the sidebar. I was told it had a sidebar by the crappy lock picker, but he picked his and I picked mine and never really found it until just now. Anyway, we'll have a go at picking that in a minute, but I've just got to show you this beautiful pick just sent to me by XB Mods from the UK Lock Sports Forum. It's just stunning. It's got slightly thicker scales than what he would normally do, but he knows I like thicker scales, so that's what he's done for me. I've got fingerprints all over it. And I'm just stunned. I love it. It is just simple, beautiful, slick, and yeah, I'm over the moon with it. It's got aluminium rivets, and I would say 301 high yield in maybe 20 thousandths, maybe 18. Anyway, XB Mods. I'm blown away. That is beautiful. So anyway, I will put that there for a minute and we will see if we can get into this Evva for Stock Lock Sunday. I'm going to attempt to pick it with this lovely beastie from John Eggington. Let's see how we get on. So click off a 3. Nothing off of 4 and 5, then we click off 3, little click off a 2, little click off a 1, dropped into a false set off a number 2, it's giving me a bit of counter off a number 4, see if we can get that beast. Yeah, still got my false set, bit of counter on number 5. Oh, I nearly lost my false set then. So go back to the front. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 maybe. A little bit of false set back, not all of it. So it's got a really nice little key on it. It's a fucking fly flying around in there. It's doing my head in. I'm in my bike shed, not my usual lock lab. Okay, back into my false set. So, a bit more of a false set. Oh fuck, still got my false set because luckily I'm holding on to the back of it. Where were we? So number 4. Bit of a false set on number 5. Oh, sorry, a bit of counter on number 5. Let's get on to number 6. It's getting over the top. It's giving me a bit of counter on number 6. And we're in. Beautiful. Okay, I won't over rotate it, although I do need to turn it to here because I don't have a key for it. Let's try and get this clip off. Can't get it. Why? I'm going to have to really try and hold on to this. It's got a double. I don't want it to go into that fucking don't want it to go into the sidebar. Bloody ball out of these things, isn't it? It's not so bad when you've got a key. If I could just get him to lock up on the no, you won't do it. Okay, I'll leave that there a second and just see if as you can see, totally prepared. There should be a circuit wire somewhere. Okay, see if I can jam these in here. Never works when you want it to, does it? Okay, maybe now. Get that in there, and we got the bastard. Right. Okay, so we'll turn him to there. Find my follower. So pins are at the top. Holding on to everything. Is there a sidebar? I can't see a sidebar, so as you can see, everything needed picking. So number one, mastered, that's why he was easy. Swine. Okay, so standard in number one, standard in number two, master and standard number three, master, standard number four, and standard number 5. So this is why this is the easiest Evva in the world then. Okay, so standard steel in number 1, really long pin. Fuck me, these are massive. Standard in steel again in number 2. Big spool in number 3. Big spool in number 4. Big spool in number 5. Well, it has got cutouts for kind of sidebar-ish, but obviously there is no sidebar in there. Just a bit. Oh no, hang on, fucking on, just being a right old dumbass, aren't I? So here's the sidebar, which if we can get that out of there. Somehow. So he is sidebarred, but it's just and he has still got his teeth on him. So yeah, I take that back. It is sidebarred. Funny little can't say I know fuck all about side butts. But anyway, it's got one. Not that it really interfered with the picking of it much. But yeah, like I say, once again, really nice warding on the keyway. I'll give you a shot of these. Okay, so we've got standard, looks like standard steels in key pins, 3 masters, mega long driver pins with 2 standard steels and then 3 long spools and a sidebar. Anyway, I'm really sorry about the long video there. We will just give you another shot of this beautiful pick by XB Mods. Thank you once again, and we'll leave it there for Stock Lock Sunday. Thank you.